Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Walden Student Portal. So, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search Walden Student Portal. Once you make search, you'll find MyWalden Student Portal on top of the search list. Just click here. Now, what you want to do is just simply click log in. As you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You simply have to enter your credentials, which includes your Microsoft email and your password. In case you can't access your account, you can click here and find solution. If not, then just enter your credential and log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.